Hello Backyard Foundry friends. Today I'm going to be working on making a little knob to open a safe, because this safe that I'm working on was made with plastic and I repaired it and my customer promptly broke it again because it was made of plastic. It's probably from Taiwan or China or something. So I'm going to make a part out of aluminum or pot metal or whatever I've got in the crucible. So I've got started on this. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I've got done, and I'll show you what I'm trying to accomplish here. I'm going to take this flask, put the drag upside down, this piece down this way, and ram it up. So we're going to ram this up. Thanks, Colin.
What?
I said thanks. That piece is going to come out unless I flip the board.
I'm here.
I better flip the board with it. Then all this is going to go make a mess. There we go. Okay, then we're going to put the top on. And I'm going to hold the shaft in place as I fill up and ram this. Oh, I forgot to put the special parting powder in. That smells good. So this sprue is actually going to be this rod.
This for your Foundry channel?
Yeah. Backyard Foundry.
Subscribe.
That's a good idea. If you're not subscribed, why not? It's totally free. Okay, I have a spoon here, which I make the basin, pouring basin with, and just blow away the loose sand. This is K-Bond.
Is it still loose? Let me feel.
No, I blew away
Not
the loose
loose.
stuff. Okay, so that comes out. Press down the edges here. Make sure that's nice and firm. And then I also put vents in, 4 vents down to the piece.
Look at that.
I just have some spring steel here for that. More this way. You can feel it clunk right on the piece. Okay, then I'm going to pull that out.
There's loose stuff. Ooh, what is this?
That's what fell through from the...
Ooh, it's hot.
Out. Oh yeah. And then this will just come out easily. See that?
It's coming out.
Came right out. And I put the knob in here and rammed it up using my K-Bond sand and using my Muller that I made. Some people call this a mixer. I have the plans for this on my website. So if you're interested in a mixer or a Muller, you really do need it for this K-Bond stuff. And Petrobond too is nice to be able to mix it up. Let's get that furnace fired up.
Yeah.
Got the furnace cranked up. You can hear it roaring. There's the propane tank. Here's my little furnace. Just using this little furnace because it's just a quick run. So it's a pretty small part. I'll go ahead and set my camera up, get ready for the pour. Okay, so I pulled the burner tube out and turned the gas off so you can hear me. I'm behind my face shield, so I might sound a little funny. Alright, so let's go ahead and skim this. with my handy dandy skimming spoon. Right, we'll pull it out. There we go. Grab it and pour. And then pour some ingots. I believe I melted 4 of those little heart-shaped ingots, and so it looks like I used 2. I didn't think it was going to take very much. Then I put the crucible back in the furnace to let it cool down slowly. See, I got this cast iron ingot tray. Alright, so we'll let that cool down and see if it turned out. Okay guys, let's shake this out. See what...
The camera's not looking at. Okay, there.
Well, yeah, I aimed at this because I'm going to be shaking out over here. Alright, so let's open it up. That looks good. See that? What it is it's a little knob that they turn to open the safe. Little tiny knob that they turn to open the safe. The piece was made out of plastic, so I thought I would make it out of metal, so it would be better.
Okay. I need to do something.
Okay. See you later. Thanks, Colin.
Yes, ma'am.
What? I did make a video on how to make little flasks like this. Easy way to make them. And this thing's probably still hot. I can put that video on how to make flasks up on the end screen. A little hot, but not too bad. Alright, look at that. So turn it like this, and it'll make more sense when I put it in the safe and show you. The tape in my part that I made the mold from actually made little patterns in the face of it, which sort of look interesting. I was thinking I would just sand those away, but they sort of look cool. I might just leave them. Looks like some kind of markings on how to dial a safe or something. All right, let's cut this sprue off. Nice. So I cut this down so that it has a D-shaped slot so it fits in this cam, or this cam fits on it, and that lays on top of the existing or the broken thumb turn. I still like those little marks that the electrical tape put in there. I put electrical tape on there because the disc actually had a shutter that slid sideways on this, so I put electrical tape around there to hold that together so I could make the pattern. Alright, and then a roll pin is going to go in there. So I'll take it inside, put it on the safe, and show you what it looks like there. Alright, so here it is installed on the safe. There we go. Sweet. I will leave a link to the flask making video in the end screen here that you can see right now. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you again real soon.
Subscribe to Organic Gardening in North Carolina.
Yeah, I'll put a link to my gardening channel in the description also. That's a great idea, camera guy. All right, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.